Alright guys, we're just gonna do a quick update video. A little under the weather, so I'll show you where we're at. Let most of the plastics on our terra scorcher soak with a little Dawn and water overnight. I'm gonna do the first phase of degreasing slash getting any of the rust and oxidation. What I do for that is a vinegar bath. Fill it with water and then you dilute some vinegar in there. Let it sit overnight. Scrub it with a scrub brush, and then you have to neutralize that acid, because that's what it is, an acid. And you'll just use the water to make something back. So, anyways, that's what I'm doing with those. And that's just to get any corrosion off or anything. Use the same process from the processed food too, actually, because those are all any of the products I use are ingestible. So that's the way I work. No corrosives. So we won't be taking the tub apart. We'll just be cleaning it up. There's no sense in gearing. The mesh is beautiful. Well, we should have that buttoned up. See in the background, we got our DFO2. We're gonna be swapping the tires with the TTO2B. Brought that out not just to get the tires off, but Josie over at Josie Wilds wanted to show him this. This is in both my TTO2B and my TTO2. I hated the slop in the steering, and he was complaining about it. So what I took was the stock plastic mount that normally goes on this side, put a riser on it, and put it above the collars in it. And there's nothing. You know, that's just need to be tightened up. But that's what I was talking about, Josie. So throw that in there. And if you see in the background over there, this will be a separate video. These are $15 at our local game store. That's Millennium Game. Now, nice thing is they're going to do some kit bash stuff where they have contests and you basically make your own Gundams. So they got a lot of stock in there. I'll probably try and highlight it one of these days, and once we get this built. So completely separate squirrel, and hopefully Lauren and I will get some video game videos going. Last thing I wanted to show you, we're going to be selling this as well. This is MO3, so we're trying to get rid of the Terra Scorcher once I get it buttoned up, and then this MO3 I'm not going to really do anything to it. I'm going to verify that it runs, and then that's it. You know, there's a couple parts trees that go with it. So anybody's looking for an MO3 chassis, cheap, I can unload this real cheap. Real cheap. Just email me. Same with the Terra Scorcher. Anybody looking for a vintage Terra Scorcher? The insides are beautiful. I don't know. I'd rather sell it to one of the guys or one of my subscribers than just outright on eBay. But either way works. So. But you see what I'm doing. Lots and lots of fun stuff. So I'll see you when I see you guys. Again, this is a short one, and we'll get it rolling. I'm under weather, so I'm not sure. I'm not doing too many videos next couple days. I'll probably just take a bunch of Dayquil and start scrubbing these chassis. So I'll see you guys. Have a great day. Peace. One more quick squirrel. So you guys might have seen I had the TTO2. That's the last piece. So this is all Tamiya. So this will work for Tamiya Tuesday. So the TTO2, I have these two motors to put in for the brushed speed run challenges for CW01 Creations. So you guys know anything about this GT stock? I don't know anything about these brushed motors. So you tell me which one you think I should start with. Put it in the description, let me know, or in the comments, let me know which one you think's better. So there's Orbits 2, I don't know, anything Orion, or this GT stock 30 turn. You tell me. I have one other motor too. Anyways, I'll see you when you see you guys. Like and subscribe. I'll see you, and check out all the guys. Peace.